Folks, we're back with another Christmas video. Thought you might like to see our Christmas kitchen 2020 right here on my take on home and garden. Now folks, we have so much going on. I get so excited I can't stand it. I know everybody's waiting for the home tour. We are only a few videos away. We're filming this one for Tuesday and the home tour is Friday. So there's just a couple more, and you know when it's over, it's over. So we savor the moment and we're ironing out those last details till midnight every night. Really, just about. So let's take a look at the Christmas kitchen Angela's worked so hard on. Bless her heart, I think you'll agree, it's just out of this world. Thanks for coming by. And here we go. Gotta have a balanced coffee and cocoa station, folks. We like all the goodies around the holidays. I think the kids like it more. Angela got this incredible cookie jar. And I'm pretty sure that came from Marshall's. Then we got the typical setup. Peppermints, candy canes, cocoa, marshmallows, mints, every kind of additive, cinnamon. Now when we get ready to entertain, we cover our island sink so we can put extra trays and plates on there and serving dishes. And what we're going to show is how to do a beautiful buffet. Now here's Angela's Gingerbread Men and Women and Houses collection. I think if you were here with me, guys, your stomach would be growling like mine is. Because guess what's in the crock pot after Thanksgiving? You probably do it too. Anyway, you hardy ones that don't mind to pull that carcass apart and make a hearty turkey noodle soup. Besides those leftover sandwiches we all love, we got the soup going on. Well, let's look at that. Oh yeah. See folks, I'm not kidding. Oh my goodness, if you could smell that. She's always got her cute Christmassy pot holders and hand towels. What are you gonna do without some gnomes in your life, guys? They just keep multiplying. Gnomes of the North. We love mixing the new with the vintage, you know that. It took me all this time to find this other little vintage ceramic tree. And Santa's too good with the skis. There's that wonderful fruit and vegetable tree again that the girls do. Which is turned into fruit and vegetables and dessert. Oh, who wants to leave dessert out? No one. So folks, that's our wonderful Christmas kitchen 2020. We hope you liked it. So folks, if you liked our video today of Angela's Kitchen, give us a like, share, a subscribe. A jet ski full of subscribers. We appreciate all of you. Take care, everybody. The home tour's coming for your friends to rave over. Take care now, and we'll see you in the next Christmas video.